A prayer for divine healing and restoration. Gracious and loving God, I come before you with a humble heart, seeking your presence, your peace, and your healing touch. You are the maker of heaven and earth, the giver of life, and the one who holds all things together. In your hands are mercy and power, and in your heart, infinite love. Lord, you know me fully, my burdens, my struggles, my weariness. You see what no one else can see, and you understand what words cannot express. I place my whole self before you now, trusting not in my strength, but in your goodness and grace. With faith like a mustard seed, I ask you to breathe new life into my body. Let your healing light flow through every part of me, restoring what is broken, renewing what is weak. Touch me, O God, with your tender care, and lift me with the strength only you can give. Even in the waiting, I will praise you. Even in the unknown, I will trust you. For you are faithful and true, and your promises never fail. Thank you, Lord, for hearing my cry. Thank you for being near, for walking with me through every valley, and for surrounding me with your peace. Let my heart remain steadfast, and let my spirit rejoice in the hope of your unfailing love. In Jesus' holy name I pray. Amen.